Hi, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube friends and family. It's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're gonna do another no panic pandemic meal preparation guide. I've ordered another meal service just to show you guys how easy it is to get food during the pandemic. So, with that, let me open up the box. This one is from Home Chef, and then I'll show you what's inside. So this one, like I said, is from Home Chef. It comes in a pretty compact box. I ordered this one about a week ago as well. And I'll move back, you can see. Small box. But let's figure out what's inside. And again, it's kind of cool because it's, I'll move bigger, but it's kind of cool because it allows you to get like really fresh meals delivered at home, like it says on the box. Weekly variety, simple steps, familiar favorites. All right, so this is what I got this week. I'm actually gonna turn this light up. I don't think we need it. Hot honey salmon. And strip steak provolone pretzel sandwich. So here you can see strip steak pretzel sandwich. It gives you what's in your box. It gives you all the ingredients. It tells you what you're gonna need. For the salmon, it comes, again, what's in your box, what you're gonna need. And then on the back, you can see there's prep instructions. All right, so we're gonna unpack it and then you'll see. This one comes packed in dry ice. It's still cold. Now, because it's like, it's very interesting, see? These come packed in clear plastic bags. You can see in here, there's a potato, I'm gonna throw this all in the refrigerator, but this actually came yesterday. Luckily for me, everything's still cold. But if you're gonna have any of these kind of meal prep things delivered, make sure you're paying attention to when your delivery folks are supposed to drop off, because unlike the Sunbasket one that was delivered to my door, they put this one in the lockers in my building. And if I would have waited a few more days, I probably would have had janky meat. They send you a binder, which is nice. So all those recipes that you saw, the binders actually go in the recipe box, which is kind of cool. So, the recipes go in the recipe binder. And then under, ooh, look at that. So under the recipe binder, they sent my meat. So I got sliced beef and I got salmon. And they put ice packs on there. So the ice is still cold. Now, given that I'm probably not gonna make this till sometime later this week, like I said, it comes in a plastic bag. I might freeze this. But it's kind of cool, and I like the way the ingredients are sent. Yeah, this is still cold, so I don't have to worry about dying of botulism. But look, 10 ounces of sliced beef. And the irony is that at the store right now, salmon is on sale, so I bought like 4 pounds of salmon, but it's frozen still. And then this is 12 ounces of salmon. And it's farm raised, product of Norway. It's kind of cool. It's vacuum packed. Yeah, this one I'll probably cook sooner rather than later. I may cook this tomorrow. So I'll just put this stuff in the refrigerator. That way I have so much food in my refrigerator. But again, simple meal prep instructions, which I thought was kind of cool. They tell you how to roast the salmon. They tell you how to pan sear. You can do all different ways. So they give you different ways to do things. And then here's like the honey butter. They tell you how to prepare that. It's kind of cool. And then, like I said, the ingredients for the meals come in like these nice plastic bags, and it's all fresh ingredients. So that's kind of cool. Like if you wanted to start eating healthier, doing like these stay at home, lock at home times, you're afraid to go to the store, I like the way that this is packaged. And then you know which vegetables are for which meal because, again, they're packaged. So, like I said, kind of cool. Well, that's it for my review, or excuse me, it's not even a review because we're not really reviewing it yet until I cook it, but the unboxing of Home Chef. So that's another one of the kind of send you meals in the mail type services that are especially helpful during this time. But I like this one and one of the ones I did previously because they're actually sending really fresh ingredients and it's like organic and farm raised, and I thought that was pretty awesome. So I would say definitely check out Home Chef. I will put a discount code in the description so that you can get a discount on your first purchase. Just if you want to try it, check it out. Let me know. Anyway, hit the like button for the algorithm so that YouTube can put this out to other folks who are staying at home. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I do more things. And I'm actually going to cook this up sometime in the next couple of days. And then also, leave me some comments below. I really want to know what's going on. I want to know what you guys are thinking about. If there are food services that you think I should try, I will try them, see what they're like. And if you've tried it before, let me know what your thoughts are on it. But anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. I am going to make myself some food, and I will catch you guys next time. Thank you very much. Subscribe and like below. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.